Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see about E Sanjeevani OPD. So it is free online doctor consultation which is launched by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, that is Government of India. So we'll be seeing the full details including the patient registration and patient login through consultation and e-prescription. So let's go to the video to see the details. So go to Google and search for eSanjeevani OPD. So when you search, you get multiple options here. So the authentic is eSanjeevaniOPD.in. So you see here patient registration eSanjeevani OPD here. So go to eSanjeevaniOPD.in. So this is the home page. So when you are in the home page, you see a lot of details here. So they are like trying to give some statistics of what is happening. So they say that okay, total consultation hours is so much and doctor attending at patient now. So currently there are 9 doctors all over India wherever this facility is available. 9 doctors are consulting the patient now. So it is now 7:30 p.m. 10 January. So 9 doctors are live now, and average consultation duration they say that it's 3 minutes 2 seconds, and average patient wait time 10 minutes. It's fine. So when you go to the doctor actual clinic also we have to wait for a lot of time, but this is okay, like we are sitting at home and we are waiting for a doctor to see us face to face and consult. So these are the features. They say it's online OPD, real-time telemedicine. Okay, it's not like in a call, it's like a video call. You can directly see the doctor and see, okay, you share your reports to the doctor is having access to your reports and he can see what problem you are facing, and based on that they can prescribe. State service doctors, you need not worry that you are like it's a centralized doctor, so all the your call will be routed to the local doctors. So whichever state you are selecting, in the state there will be doctors who will be consulting with you, so local language, so that's not problem, like you need not worry about the language. So you will find a local doctor there. It's a video consultation. Chat is also available. So when you're on the consultation, you can chat with the doctor and it's completely free of service. So you can go here about also, they are saying it's completely free of service for the citizens of India, and this is the workflow they are describing in what happens, everything. So I'll go in detail like what you need to exactly do. So this is the OPD here. So this is the actual workflow. You have to first registration and a token is generated, and with the token you need to log in again. When you log in, you will be displayed like how many patients are waiting, how long you need to wait, and you will be getting one number. And once the doctor is available for you, the call now will be enabled and you will be in the consultation with the doctor. And finally, once the consultation is done, you will get the e-prescription from the doctor. And once you get the e-prescription, you can buy the tablets and then you can do a follow-up. And this is the e-prescription download site, or you can enter your number and you can download the prescription anytime, and you can add edit family members also. And this is the important thing, like you need to see the timings of OPDs available in your state. So like every state has different timings here. So if you see in Andhra it's 9 to 4 a.m. So let's see like for Maharashtra. So Maharashtra, if I see like from Monday to Saturday 9 to 5 p.m. lunchtime also they mentioned, and they have variety of OPDs like orthopedic, psychiatry, dermatology. All these OPDs are available, so you can do online consultation with the specialized doctors here. So you can select like whichever state you want. You can just click and see, like if you want to go take a consultation in Tamil Nadu, or if you're Tamil speaking person, so here is the general OPD timings, everything is mentioned here. So you can see based on that, okay, this you can decide your consultation. This is frequently asked question, this is contact, in case you have anything you can directly write your queries here. So let's see the patient registration. So you need to have a valid mobile number and you have to select the state. So let's select Maharashtra for now. So when you select the state, you get the general OPD and specialty OPD. So specialty here is like a lot of specialties are there. Now it will not work because the timing is already over. So it says that OPD. So once you are here in the timings, it will take you to the next page here. So this is once you do the registration, token number is generated. With the token number and everything, your token number and mobile number, you have to log in at the time. So I'll show you the complete workflow. In case you forgot the patient ID and token number, no problems. You click here and it will ask for the mobile number and you'll get the token number there. and cancel token number. So in case you are not able to attend the OPD, you can better go and cancel it. And doctor login. So once the doctor comes in, doctor will put in their mobile number and login. So here is the detailed PDF. So it's online only. So I'll paste this link in description. You can go and check in the description. So let's go and see the details here, which is very important. So getting started, everything is like we have a table of contents here. What are the instructions covered in the document here? So I can show the document because I cannot register online and show the live demo because my private details will be shared online, so I don't want to do that, but I will show all this, which is whatever we do online is displayed here in the page. So they are telling about the basic details about like Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, who supported it, CDAC supported it, and this is the system requirements, basic hardware. You need a laptop. It also has a mobile app. You can do it through mobile. All are same workflow only, nothing different here. So you need to have Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, which supports it. Using Sanjeevani OPD user workflows, as I said, you need to register. eSanjeevani, generate a token number, then go to the waiting room, wait for the doctor, join the queue, get a consultation, click on the call now button, the doctor will be online, consultation is done, and finally e-prescription is generated, so you get the prescription online. So let's see the registration workflow. So go here, select the patient registration. So as I said, this is the patient registration. Select it. You enter a valid mobile number. Valid mobile, you get a OTP to your mobile number. Enter the OTP, and once you get the OTP, enter. You are taken to the registration section here. Here is the page. This is a simple page where you enter all your details here, your address, everything. And on top of that, you can attach your existing test results, any document which you want to show it to the doctor. So based seeing this doctor, the doctor will have some idea of what is wrong with your body, so that they can accordingly guide you. And maybe it's an X-ray report or a test result. You did a test, blood test somewhere. You share that report here. Based on that, this report can be viewed by the doctor, and based on that they will be consulting you. And make sure that you can upload only up to 3 files, and each file should be 5 MB of size. Okay, so in case before if you want to upload, you have to scan it and compress the document. It's a lot of compression online is available. Compress it and upload it. Your patient ID and token ID is sent to your mobile number. So once you do a generate patient ID and click here, your token ID is generated and sent to your SMS. So keep it safe. Don't delete the SMS. So with the SMS, you click here, patient login, go to the patient login section here. So here you want to enter your token number and mobile number. So once you enter this, so you are on. And so here also they are giving. So secondly, not only during the registration, when you're logged in to consult a doctor, at that point of time as well, you can upload your documents here. So again, they are telling about the documents. So you have the option to upload the document. So this is the page you land. So I can expand this. So this is the page you land when you are in the patient login. So waiting room. So here, like if you see like lot of faces here, so you'll have a number here. Based on the number, you'll come to know that okay, I'm maybe at the 8th number or 20th number. If it's a busy day, you will find a lot of people here. Doctor status will be displayed here, and your details will be displayed at the bottom here. And when you go, when the doctor is available, so when the doctor is ready, the call now button will be enabled, so that you can click on the call now button and join the call online consultation. And you have only 120 seconds, like 2 minutes to join the call. In case you miss, so that you'll be again moved to the queue, and again you have to wait for a long time. And make sure that whatever timing is given, follow it, and get the benefit. Otherwise it's like a too long wait time, so that you need to try to avoid. So now and once you click that, the computer or laptop, wherever you're connecting, it will ask for the access to the mic and microphone and video. So you have to say allow, accept. So based on that, it will be connected. So doctor and the patient is visible here. So this is how the video call will be going on. During the video call also, you can chat. In case the quality of the sound has some issues, then you can type here and you can attach your documents also. So that is also 3 places you can attach your documents. So this is how the consultation will happen. And again here, if you want to see the doctor's profile also, you can see like I have a sample here. So this is how you can click the profile button here to see the doctor details, like what specialty doctor is, like you can get the details of the doctor here. So once your call is done, the call is disconnected and the doctor prepares a prescription. So the doctor says, okay, this is the prescription based on the discussion, and sends to you. You get a SMS. The SMS contains the link, or as I said, you go to the patient profile here and you can download it. So you can download and go for the medications. So this is how the simple workflow. And I think stay home, they specifically say that stay home OPD. So during this corona, please make use of this. So a lot of people are still not aware, because this was launched in November 2019, but now recently it's spiking up, because like people don't want to visit the hospital and they can directly get the OPD consultation done from their home. So if you have a mobile, if you have a laptop, you can get the consultation done online. So that's it quickly about this eSanjeevani OPD. So in case you have any doubt, please share in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. And in case you want any specific details or new video to be created, so put it in the comment section. So I'll be creating, based on that inputs, I can create a new video for you. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you, and see you in a new video. Bye.